Hello guys, this will be a quick one today just to talk to you about the new lowers that I just received. I ordered them on Amazon. For those who don't know what it is, it's going on both sides of your crash bar of your engine guard. It protects your legs, your feet from the weather, the wind, the water, and with the fin here or the vent, you can redirect the wind toward your engine, but or completely block the wind so there's nothing going in if you're going or riding in lower temperature. For those who remember my bike before I start modifying everything, I was riding with these lowers, these from leather. It was doing the job, but it's not as beautiful as these. And I'm talking to you about these today simply because, as you can see behind me, my bike is all apart, and it's because I'm changing the color. I'm going for an amber, so you will see the progress in the upcoming videos. So it's almost painful just thinking about sanding them, because the paint quality on these, it's pretty awesome. I just put that beside my gas tank and it's identical paint match. Obviously my gas tank is dirty because there's dust on it, as well as some goof off, because I'm starting to remove the two-way foam, the two-way sticky foam that was holding the badge Harley Davidson on the side. So my tank's pretty dirty, but is a perfect color match. So as I said, it's almost sad that I have to sand this because it's a beautiful finish, but I have to match the rest of the bike. The bike is going amber, so I need to sand and paint them as well. And I won't paint this section as well as the vent. I will only paint what is already painted. The glossy section, I will paint that, but the rest will stay black. The contrast of it will match with the frame, with the rest of my bike, the foot pegs and all of it. So this is it. I just want to talk to you about these lowers. Of course, I can talk as much as I want about the look, but the durability, I won't be able to talk to you about that till like several months. But as soon as I will have an update for you, I will make another video just to tell you if they're worth it or if they're just a piece of garbage. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.